Okay, so like I mentioned in the orientation module, you should sign up for VMworld. I'll copy the link and I'll put it into the linked reference. VMworld. It is free. I highly suggest signing up. The assignment that you have is due on October 10 to give you plenty of time. Like I said, it's free. Attend at least 3 sessions and write about what you learned. It doesn't have to be a long essay. Just talk about something that you learned. Module 1, the item that we will work on this week, is actually divided into 3 mini courses. These are all free, and they're all provided by NVG, the company that creates NetLab. So I'll open the first one. You'll be sent to this page where you'll register. And to show you what it looks like, I'll just log in. They have about 4 labs each. And here is the content to read. It is not a hard read. It is not a difficult course. It's a very simple little course that helps you cover the basics that you'll need to go through the VMware class. So this one has all the way up to 8.1. They'll have little YouTube videos to watch. And like you saw, there's also little labs for you to do. You'll go through all 3. At the end, you'll submit some form of proof that you completed the 3 classes. So that could be a show that you completed all the labs, show that you read all the items. It could be a screenshot. It could be a description of the stuff you learned. I'm going to leave that portion up to you, as long as if you were looking at it and you said, you know what, this student completed going through all 3 items, that'll be acceptable. Because what I really want you guys to walk out with from this course is learning how virtualization works and being able to use it, not just know the buzzwords. So you can use the same account. So if you go to the first class and you create your account through there, you can use that to log in to the other 2 courses, the software defined and the network virtualization. And they'll both, you'll need to log into them. So the first one had 4 labs and 8 chapters. We'll click yes. This one just has concepts. So it'll be some reading and some watching videos, which is not, it's not a difficult read. And the last one, network virtualization. We'll click this, complete our enrollment. Also, just has content for you to read and videos to watch. You complete all these 3, you show proof of completion, and that will take care of this first week's work. Now I see a question in the chat. I have created accounts for you on NetLab, which you'll be using starting next week. So you don't have to worry about that this week, but I have created accounts. Now, if you are a non-Cabrillo student who has taken this course, all you need to do is to send me through Discord a private message with your email, and I will add you to the list so that you get an account and you're able to do the lab work on our NetLab system without having to pay for it. So just send me a message on Discord and I'll add you to that list. But again, we're not touching the NetLab system until next week when we do the first 2 chapters. This week, you can create the your NDG account here for free and go through these micro courses this week. It is not a hard read. It will cover the basics. Some of this stuff, if you've done things like A+ and networking, a lot of it will be review, which is not bad. It'll get you oriented in the right place to go through the VMware chapters. But I honestly think this will be a very easy and light class for you, which is good because the virtualization, that's kind of the whole point of virtualization, is to make your life easier, not more difficult. We're managing more systems at once from one panel rather than connecting to them all in crazy arrays. We can make complex systems, but we manage them in a very simple form. So yeah, feel free to go into cloud virtualization. The first one, make yourself an account and go through the content, complete the labs, and again, show proof that you went through all 3 and submit that into module 1 assignment submission, and you'll be good to go for next week when we start going through the chapters in VMware ICM. Are there any questions? Cool. Again, if you do come up with a question, ask away on Discord. That's why we have it. That's where we reside together. So let me stop this recording.